Okay guys, so again, my name is Carl and this is Boss Ian.
Highly recommended, boss.
Yan, so we are from Toyota Fairview and today po, ang dami na rin nagpo-post ng mga dumating na Toyota Hilux natin na bago GRS. So kami po ay hahabol, no? So we will show you yung unit na meron kami. So emotional red siya. Okay? So by the way, so before we start, ito po ang susi niya. Yan. Okay, so ang GRS mo, ito naman dati, no? Push start engine and smart key entry. Okay, so please stay for a short video ng Toyota Hilux 2.8 GRS 80 2024. Good day to you, TFE. Alright, so this is your new Hilux po na GRS 2024. So madalas na nakikita natin mga emotional red po lumalabas. So what we have right now is a new color po ng GRS. That would be your two-tone. So sa ibabaw po, attitude black, and this one is super white. Okay? So what will be the changes po, no? Tingnan natin. Okay. So first of all, sa performance, it will have the same type of engine. So 2.8 diesel engine po. However, it will give you more horsepower po, 224 and 550 po na Newton meter torque. So mas malakas po ito sa previous sa 2.8 natin ng GRS. Hilux. So tingnan natin. Ayan po. There you go. So, makita mo yung grill, you have your Toyota there, GR badge, dyan po, no? So, sa ilaw naman po, check, same naman po, type ng ating headlamp. So, it will have an LED headlamps, auto leveling, you have your signal and your DRL, nandiyan na rin po siya. You have your LED fog lamps, meron na siya, and front sonar, front sensor, meron na rin po. Okay? Yeah. Now, you will have here a wide over fender. Siguro ito po inahabol sa isang competitor, no? Para mas mukhang malakad. Okay? So, ayan po. Wide over fender. There. Sa Hilux mo po, GR, you will have 17-inch rim, 265 by 65 po, no? Sa Conquest natin, actually mas malaki. 18 po ang size nun. Pero ito po sa GR, mas pinaliit, mas mukhang macho yung gulong, mas mataba, no? Now, both po, your front and rear po, it will come with GR disc brake. Okay, you have a double wishbone, monotube, front suspension, and rear. Okay. Yan po, no, same. Kita nyo sir, no? Molye. So, leaf spring and monotube. Rear suspension. Okay? Yan. You will see black door handle. Okay? You will see here black side mirror. Sa black side mirror natin, sa side mirror, sorry, meron po siyang paddle lamp at saka camera. Okay? Sorry, wala ikakita. Yan. So, same po, you will have camera in, front camera, and your sensor po for your Toyota safety sensor. Yan. So, ibig sabihin, may camera ka sa harap, sa gilid, no? This one will come with panoramic rear view cam. Okay, 360. Alright. Ito po kakaiba. So, para siyang pang rally style. No? Ang sports bar niya. So, parang wing. Pang rally and the thing. So, dito po you will see here, mas open po, mas maluwag yung bed ng VR. Diba? May gano'n siyang bed liner. Okay? Sa likod, you will see here your GR badge. Same naman po the type of your rear lights. No? Your reverse, signal light. Same naman po, no changes. No, sa likod po, you will have apat po na backup sensor. Okay? Ayan po. Okay? Sa likod, you have a tailgate assist. Hindi siya basta bumabaksak. Magaan. Okay. Now, this one, so push start engine, smart key entry po siya. No, sa basusin. Yan, this one. So actually the key. Yan po, no? May GR yan sa loob. Yan. So baka ano siya, push start and smart key entry. Okay? So yeah. Step board, meron na rin siya. Okay? So it actually siyempre po shipped from Thailand, no? Silipin na natin yung loob. Yung mga changes. Open na natin. Okay. So this will be the door panel. Yan, medyo madilim. So ito parang medyo may carbon accent, carbon Lodi. Now, makikita nyo po here, window, centralized lock, mirror adjustment, side mirror adjustment mo, and your retractable switches. So unfortunately, wala pa to yung tinatawag nating auto retract. Okay? Yan. So ang inyong po, GRS po, it will come with leather and combination of suede na material for your seats. Sa driver po, 8-way control, automatic. However, for your driver side po na upuan is manual pa po. Okay? So you will see po here parking switch, view switch, your blind spot monitor switch, and your gas tank and hood. Okay? You know? Check natin. Ito po ang steering ng GRS. Leather po yan. You will see here GR badge, red lining. Okay? So medyo madilim ah. So you have your switch po para po sa radio mo. Okay? You will also have here switch for your MID display. Ito po, makita nyo. This one. Paano ba? Ito. Yan po yung tinatawag natin na lane departure assist switch. Meron siya. And another one sa right side niya po, yung para may sonar. Yan po yung vehicle to vehicle distance set po. Yan. Okay? And also, ayan din po, you will see here your cruise control switch. Okay? Now, para po sa atin, GR, no? You will see here, type po ng cruise control that we have is dynamic, DRC po, dynamic radial cruise control na meron. Okay, ayan. Here you go. So you will have also paddle shifter, meron na po yan. Okay, there. Meron din po tayong echo, where is it? You have your echo and power mode switch. Okay. You have your dual zone AC. Meron po tayong downhill assist control, traction control, and lock differential po. Meron tayo dyan. Okay. Para sa 4x4 switch, 2x2, ito po. Your ADD, automatic differential. Oo, disconnect, meron yan. And ito po, no. Oh, okay, mali, sorry. 9-inch po yan, ano? Wireless po, CarPlay and wireless Android. So wala nang cable. Napakadaling i-connect ang mga phone natin. Okay? Right, so you have your auto dim. Where is it? Mali. There you go. Ayan po. Meron na rin siya. So you have a black interior po, pati sa ceiling. Ayan. Okay. Right. So there you go. For your GRS po na 4x4, 2.8 diesel automatic, it will come with 3 colors po. You have your two-tone, you have your emotional red, and your attitude black. Okay. So as of now po, no, dumarating na po mga unit natin. So if you do have any question or you would like to see an actual unit, please visit us. Contact me po, Mr. Chan, para po makakita ng actual unit at ma-appreciate more ang pogi nila nitong GRS mo na 4x4. Ang rally na po ang dating niya. Pero sabi ko, paunahan na lang po. Okay? So hoping guys to see you here in Toyota Fairview, and sana po makapag-release tayo ng mga GRS na Hilux.